Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. The music industry is reeling this evening from news that popular dancehall entertainer Rygin King has been shot. 2 other persons were shot in the incident, one fatally. Details from DWAYNE Anderson.
Rygin King, whose given name is Matthew Smith, was shot in Westmoreland today. TVJ news sources say the entertainer underwent surgery this evening. Another 2 people were shot in the incident. A 28-year-old woman died. A man is also being treated at hospital. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay spoke with our news center.
Okay, well, I don't have much detail, but I'm able to confirm at this time that the entertainer that goes by the name Rygin King, that he was shot and injured in Westmoreland earlier today. 2 other persons were also shot and injured in that particular incident. We're getting reports and confirmation that the female that was shot during that incident, she has been succumbed to her injuries. So far, what we know is that they were on the road effecting some repairs to a motor car, as we understand. And a silver Toyota Axia, we understand, drove up. A man alighted and opened for them. At the end of the shooting, 3 of them were found with gunshot and taken to hospital, where 1 was pronounced dead and 2 are currently being treated. So we're now trying to get some additional information from the investigators who are currently at the scene.
Rygin King, renowned for his hits Tough and How Me Grow, hails from Montego Bay, St. James. Now, in a separate shooting incident in St. James, an entertainer identified as Nickel McDaniel, otherwise called Miguel, was shot and killed in the parish yesterday. A tour operator was also shot in the incident. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.